Exercise 37. Line M in the xy plane passes through the points 3, 7, negative 3, 10, and b, comma, 13 over 2. So let's draw a line. Here we could have 3, comma 7. Here we could have negative 3.10. Ignore the natural position in the x-axis. Let's focus on just the points. And here b, comma, 13 over 2. What is the value of b? Okay, so let's call them A, B, C. Since A, B, and C all lie on the same line, then this means that the slope formed by points A and B would be the same as the slope formed by A and C. Let's see the slope formed by AB. It's 10 minus 7 over negative 3 minus 3. So 3 over negative 6, that would be minus 1 half. Let's take now the slope formed by A and C. That would be 13 over 2 minus 7 over B minus 3. Since, like I said before, these are on the same line, these two slopes should be equal. Minus 1 half is 13 over 2 minus 7 over b minus 3. I can do it either by hand, but I think that here Desmos would be quicker. So let's see it again. Minus 1 half is the same as 13 over 2 minus 7 over x minus 3. This shows here that the right answer is 4. Let's see if there is any 4. Yes, there is. So the right answer from this equation, and therefore for the entire exercise, would have been 4, which is D.